I have the Samsung Galaxy A34, and I'll be showing you how to check the internal storage space and capacity of your phone. So what you need to do is go to settings. That opens the main settings page. Scroll down to battery and device care. Tap on that, and then go to storage. Tap on that, and then obviously allow access to storage, and then you should see the information about your internal storage. So now, as you can see, we have 128 gigs of, that's the capacity of the phone, basically 128 gigs. And then as you can see, we have used 22% of that, which is basically 29.15 gigs. And you can actually see a breakdown of which file types are occupying what amount of space on the phone. Okay, so that's basically how to check the capacity and storage. Now the available storage is in gray. Okay, so the blue part is the used storage, and then you have gray. If you want to calculate in terms of how many gigs, you can always take the difference between the maximum capacity and what has been used. So this minus this is how much storage space you have left. Okay, or you can just check the percentage. So right now we have 78% of free storage space. That's basically how to check the capacity and storage space on your Galaxy A34. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.